So you're driving along around 50 miles per hour. You go over some railroad tracks, and in the process of going over the railroad tracks, your hood becomes unlatched, and it comes up and smacks your roof. This is the aftermath of just that. It's a 1960 Nash Metropolitan. It's not like you can go out and just go pick one of these hoods up and smack another one on there and paint it and you're good to go. This is actually a pretty hard to find hood, and that's why we are here to repair this without painting. We're going to start by using this body bag system here. This is really awesome, this setup here. And actually just basically like a mini air compressor with some airbags that allow us to basically start the damage, kind of picking it up from the back side, and we turn the compressor on, and you can see, we can actually hear it coming on there. So it's pumping some air to the airbags. You can actually stack these bags up, but we just did one bag, and I wish I would have filmed the actual dent coming up, but I didn't get a chance to. But you can see the process. Basically, we're just securing the hood down on the stand and then putting an airbag underneath there and then watching it kind of come up. Got a lot of it up, and you can see there's a lot of wrinkles left still in the hood there. We're just kind of bulking up the damage, from the back side. This was actually a pretty tough repair, believe it or not. Even though the back side was completely open, still gave us a run for the money. Spent about 7 hours on this repair. We're using all different types of techniques. From the back side, we're actually pushing with this carbon fiber rod. As you can see here, if you kind of look closely at the light reflection, you'll see the light reflection moving there. I'll kind of zoom in and kind of show you. You can see it moving right there. This right here, we're actually doing some off dolly work. We're pushing on the back side of the panel and then kind of relieving some of the stress around that area that we're pushing up. Here is the final product. No painting, no body work. Same day repair at the customer's location. And this customer gets to put this hood back on. Original paint stays intact, and they are good to go. Super happy, pleased customer. And if you have any questions about paintless dent repair in general, feel free to call 386-216-5185 or go on to cfldentrepair.com. Thanks again for watching.